Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will see how we can publish the dataset in SAP Lumira. So, first of all, we will see how we can publish to SAP Lumira Cloud. So, we have to go to the Share tab. From there, we have to select the dataset which we want to publish, and then we have to publish to SAP Lumira Cloud. After that, you have to enter the details of your username and the password, and then you will click on next to publish the dataset to SAP Lumira Cloud. After that, how you can publish to SAP Lumira server. So again, you will go to the Share tab, you will select the dataset to publish, and then you will click on Publish to SAP Lumira server. Here again you have to enter the connection details including the username and the password for SAP Lumira server. Then how you will publish to Explorer. So you will go to the Share tab, select the data set, and you will publish to the Explorer. And here you have to enter your business objects detail like your CMS server name, your authentication type, username, and the password. Then you can also publish the data sets to the SAP Streamwork. So you will go to the Share room, select the data set, and click on Publish to Streamwork. Here it will ask you for your email ID and the password for the Streamwork. So this is how you can publish your data sets in SAP Lumira to the various platforms using the Share room in SAP Lumira. In this tutorial, we have seen what are the different publishing options we have and how we can publish. Thank you.